Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Linpei Zhai. Now I'm a PhD course student at Chongbo National University. Today I'm going to talk to you about my research entitled Using Big Data Technology and Improving the Government's Crisis Management Capability Response to the COVID-19 in China. Due to the time constraint, I can just briefly summarize my whole study. So I will start off by giving you the theoretical background. The first one is about the concept of big data. Although there is no clear and unified standard for the concept of big data in academia, these different definitions all have the same meaning. Big data refers to a large-scale data collection composed of data. The scale is large enough to capture, store, manage, analyze, and process data and information far beyond the classic database software tools. The next one is about the four vast characteristics of big data. The first one is about the volume, the amount and the size of data. The second one is variety, the different kinds and sources of data. The third one is the velocity, the speed of generation. The last one is veracity, the usefulness and the quality of data. The second part is about the specific manifestations of big data during the COVID-19 epidemic. I summarize these four specific manifestations according to the relevant information and news. So I will show you this table. The first one is the COVID-19 epidemic data. It's mainly based on the national and worldwide COVID-19 epidemic data. It's regularly disclosed confirmed, suspect, and current death cases in various cities, provinces, and countries, and draws a dynamic line chart for the daily epidemic data. The second one is about medical data. It's about various data sharing and intelligent scheduling of medical resource sites. The third one is about the telecom-operated big data. The three major operators in China which can monitor the flow of people, analyze and predict confirmed, suspect case and close contacts, and also provide personal proof recent travel itinerary within 14 days. The last one is smart city big data. It's about big data with great management. And what is big data with great management? I will show you this figure. It refers to dividing the city into large and small gray units according to the communities, street offices, and using big data technology to conduct information collection. At the same time, the various schools, enterprises, governments, hospitals, and other organizations also count the data in real time, establish this multi-grade database. And then I will go on to discuss the third part, using big data to improve the government's crisis and emergency capability during COVID-19. The first one. This picture is an epidemic monitoring screen, which relies the real-time visual display of key indicators such as case data, epidemic distribution, epidemic trend, and health reports. The second one, during the COVID-19 epidemic, governments in many places using big data to mobilize enterprises and the public to participate in response to the COVID-19, while breaking down the barriers to administrative collaboration. The third one, supervision of behavior of public surveillance effectively. It can help the government effectively supervise the routine behavior of public surveillance during the epidemic and find problems based on big data analysis and take measures and rectify feed them in a timely manner. The last one is the governments can use big data, cloud computing, and other information technologies to analyze epidemic data to make the data more accurate and realize the scientific decision making. The last part is big data for COVID-19, conclusions and future directions. The first one, crisis and emergency management is a process of respecting and embodying human dignity. It's not an individual and organization, but also a society, a country, pursue and embodying human dignity, life, and foundational rights. So the current value of big data technology lies in the response to the epidemic and the long-term goal and value lies in meeting all aspects of national governments show human value and have higher and deeper humanistic care. The second one, the analysis of data must be under the constraints of institutional rules and limited openings, which puts forward higher requirements for data security. The third one, the key to big data governance lies in the interconnection, sharing, collaboration of data information, and maximizing the value of data to respond to the epidemic. The last one, cloud computing, Internet of Things, intelligent perception, and mobile Internet technologies that are integrated with big data are advancing by leaps and bounds, bringing unprecedented opportunities to the response and governance of public crisis. The COVID-19 has not yet ended, and the application of big data technology is and will continue to change the government's means and ability to respond to public crisis. Public crisis governance in the context of big data is essentially the use of technical rationality. So the use of data collection, mining, analysis, and application to achieve the purpose of crisis governance. But after all, technical rationality cannot replace everything. We cannot ignore the existence of these problems, but we do not need to panic. If we achieve an effective combination of big data and crisis and make reasonable use of big data, we can improve the public crisis management capabilities. Okay, that brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.